let's have a little chat about your digital marketing. You have your homepage on your website, your blog. You also have your collection pages, and you might have perhaps automated gifts to give to people, perhaps a PDF, perhaps a free ebook that will start collecting things, emails for you. You have your product detail pages. You have your shopping cart. If people don't buy, you have your cart abandonment sequence. If people do buy, you have your checkout, you have your upsell tree, and you have your thank you page. You also have an opt-in, which leads to a thank you page. You also have your information pages, your about me pages, and you have your pre-purchase email sequence, which will lead into the collection pages. You have your content, which is videos, articles, images, and pre-sales. You also have your pre-purchase email automated sequence, and that will have a pre-arrival email, a social proof email, an additional offers email, and content. And this can all be connected in to your blog and into your website. You then have your landing pages to get people to your website, and this can be directed through traffic through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Google, email, retargeting ads, or onto YouTube. This all links in to your website and makes up your digital marketing. Now, if you're looking at that and it is scaring the absolute bejesus out of you, I completely understand, and if you're feeling anything like this lady, just keep on watching. So there are ways to automate every single part of this process. You do it, but maybe once, you repeat it, you automate it, and you use it all over your different platforms. So hopefully you're feeling a lot better now. My name is Victoria, and I help small Australian businesses reach their potential by helping them with digital marketing. And we can do this in a variety of ways. You can do it DIY if you choose to, and jump into my marketing school, and there's lots and lots of advice in there. Or you can become one of my 1-minute members and get monthly support, business coaching. You get a social media calendar every single month with Canva links. I keep you up to date on what is going on social media. You get business planners. And this is all so you can relax and you can spend time enjoying what you want to do in life. This was me just last Friday afternoon. I decided last minute to take a hike, and it was absolutely beautiful. I hope you can do the same sometime. I'll pop all the links in the comments so you can check it out.